If you're shopping for a cordless leaf blower in 2026, stop scrolling through hundreds of options. Most battery-powered blowers are either underpowered, overpriced, or have terrible battery life. After comparing performance, airflow, runtime, durability, and real-world user feedback, I've narrowed the list down to the only 5 cordless leaf blowers worth buying this year. Whether you're cleaning a small driveway, a large property, or doing professional landscaping work, one of these 5 models is the right choice for you. Let's get started. Number 5. EGO Power LB6504. The EGO blower earns its place as one of the best budget-friendly premium options thanks to its impressive combination of power, convenience, and overall value. Delivering up to 650 CFM of airflow, it provides more than enough performance for most residential yard cleaning tasks, including clearing leaves, grass clippings, dirt, and other common outdoor debris. What makes this model particularly appealing is how effectively it balances capability and affordability. Rather than paying a premium price for top-tier performance that many homeowners may never fully utilize, this blower offers strong real-world results at a much more accessible cost. Its efficient brushless motor helps maximize power while improving durability and battery life, making it a reliable long-term investment. The variable speed trigger allows users to easily adjust airflow depending on the task, whether they're handling delicate cleanup around flower beds or tackling heavier debris on driveways and sidewalks. Comfort is another major advantage, as the lightweight design reduces fatigue during extended use and makes the blower easy to maneuver. Additionally, compatibility with EGO's highly regarded battery platform means users can share batteries across a wide range of EGO outdoor tools, adding even more value to the purchase. While it may not match the extreme power of the brand's flagship models, its excellent performance, user-friendly design, and competitive price make it one of the smartest choices for homeowners seeking premium quality without overspending. Number 4. DeWalt DCBL772X1 DCBL772X1 is an exceptional cordless leaf blower that delivers professional-grade performance for homeowners and contractors alike. Powered by DeWalt's advanced 60V flex-volt battery system, it produces impressive airflow and airspeed, making quick work of leaves, grass clippings, pine needles, and other yard debris. Its high-efficiency brushless motor provides strong, consistent power while helping maximize durability and runtime. The variable speed trigger and speed lock offer precise control, allowing users to switch easily between delicate cleanup jobs and heavy-duty clearing tasks. Built to DeWalt's rugged standards, the blower is designed to withstand frequent use in demanding conditions. One of its biggest advantages is compatibility with the wider FlexVolt ecosystem, enabling users to share batteries across multiple DeWalt tools. Although it is heavier and more expensive than some rivals, its outstanding power, reliability, and ecosystem benefits make it an excellent choice for existing DeWalt users. Number 3. Stihl BGA 250. Designed for users who demand professional-grade performance, the Stihl BGA 250 is a cordless blower built to handle tough jobs with ease and consistency. Whether you're maintaining large residential properties, commercial landscapes, parks, or municipal grounds, this blower delivers the kind of dependable power that professionals rely on every day. One of its standout qualities is its ability to generate strong, concentrated airflow capable of moving heavy leaves, wet debris, grass clippings, and other stubborn materials without sacrificing efficiency. Despite its impressive performance, the BGA 250 operates at a lower noise level than many competing high-powered blowers, making it a more practical choice for noise-sensitive areas and extended work sessions. The ergonomic design helps reduce user fatigue, while its balanced construction ensures greater comfort and control during long hours of operation. Built with durability in mind, it is engineered to withstand the demands of daily professional use and maintain reliable performance season after season. While the premium price and professional-focused battery platform may be more than some homeowners need, those investments are justified by the blower's exceptional power, build quality, and long-term reliability. For landscaping professionals, property maintenance crews, and serious users who refuse to compromise on performance, the Stihl BGA 250 stands out as one of the most capable cordless blowers currently available. It combines power, comfort, efficiency, and durability into a package that is designed to perform at the highest level day after day. Number 2. Ryobi 40V Whisper Series 800 CFM. For homeowners with large properties, extensive landscaping, or yards filled with mature trees, the Ryobi 40V Whisper Series stands out as one of the most capable cordless leaf blowers on the market. Designed to deliver professional-level performance without the hassle of gas-powered equipment, this model produces an impressive airflow of up to 800 CFM, giving it the power needed to move heavy piles of leaves, wet debris, grass clippings, and even small twigs with ease. What makes it particularly impressive is Ryobi's Whisper technology, which significantly reduces operating noise compared to many high-powered blowers, making it a more neighborhood-friendly option for early morning or weekend yard work. The blower also offers excellent battery efficiency, allowing users to tackle larger cleanup jobs without frequent interruptions for recharging. Its ergonomic design and variable speed controls provide flexibility for both delicate tasks around flower beds and maximum power clearing across driveways, patios, and expansive lawns. While the unit is larger and slightly heavier than compact cordless models, that trade-off comes with substantially greater performance and longer runtime. For smaller yards, the power may be more than necessary, but for homeowners who regularly deal with significant leaf accumulation or large outdoor spaces, the Ryobi 40V Whisper Series can dramatically reduce cleanup time and effort. Overall, it delivers an outstanding combination of power, efficiency, runtime, and quieter operation that makes it one of the best choices for demanding residential yard maintenance. Number 1. Power LB7654. Claiming the number 1 position is the Power LB7654, a cordless leaf blower that sets the benchmark for what homeowners should expect from a premium battery-powered outdoor tool. Designed to deliver professional-level performance without the noise, maintenance, or emissions of a gas-powered model, the LB7654 excels in virtually every category that matters. Its powerful brushless motor generates up to 765 CFM of airflow and air speeds reaching 200 miles per hour, allowing it to clear everything from light grass clippings and dry leaves to stubborn wet debris and compacted yard waste with ease. What truly separates this blower from the competition, however, is its balance. Many models offer strong performance in one area while compromising in another, but the manages to combine exceptional blowing power, impressive battery runtime, user-friendly ergonomics, and long-term reliability into a single package. The variable speed trigger and turbo boost mode provide excellent control, making it equally effective for quick cleanups and larger property maintenance. Its comfortable design reduces fatigue during extended use, while EGO's well-established battery platform adds significant value for homeowners already invested in the ecosystem. Although the premium price may be higher than some competing options and its power can be excessive for very small yards, those drawbacks are minor when compared to its overall performance. For homeowners seeking the most capable, versatile, and dependable cordless leaf blower available, the Power LB7654 remains the clear best overall cordless leaf blower of 2026. That wraps up our list of the 5 cordless leaf blowers that truly stand out in 2026. Whether you're looking for the best value, professional-grade performance, or the most powerful all-around option, each of these models offers a strong combination of reliability, battery life, and blowing power. From the budget-friendly Power LB6504 to the top-rated Power LB7654, there's a blower here for every type of homeowner and professional user. Now it's your turn. What cordless leaf blower are you currently using, and has it lived up to your expectations? Share your experience in the comments below. If this guide helped you make a better buying decision, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications so you never miss our latest reviews, comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching.